Hi everyone, today's a special video called Crafters Around the World, and here are some of my friends and their creations. First up, we have Bertha Wilson. I truly appreciate you joining in and everybody else. She has made an MDC, which is Memory Dex card, and it's a super cute gnome with some stars. So adorable. Such a great thing to send in Happy Mail to friends. I absolutely love it. The hat and the stars is so cute. Great job on that. Now, these are her tags that she made. I love how colorful and fun these are. Absolutely adorable. Another great thing to send in Happy Mail. Jennifer Reel is up next. And she has made the cutest bags, y'all. And if you've never tried paper crafting, I definitely suggest it. It's so relaxing. Look how precious these bags are. And if I'm not mistaken, this is a die. Jennifer, if I'm wrong, just let me know. But how cute are these? And you could also send these in Happy Mail. Look at the little sunglasses, y'all. Oh my God, too cute. Kelly Anderson is next. Thank you, Jennifer, Kelly, everybody for joining in. This was so fun to put together. I hope I did okay. And Kelly has made planner charms. I have not done jewelry in so long. I need to get back into it because it's so much fun. I have tons of jewelry stuff. I need to do it. Definitely inspired. Next up, we have LAURIE Marshall. If I destroy any names, I am so sorry. I struggle with that. LAURIE has made a pocket using KS Craft die. And look how cute with the bee and the polka dots. The colors are great. I love it. Adorable. Looks like she did some stitching too. Very cute. Christine HERSOM is next. And she has made a super cute owl, y'all. Just love it. Here we go. Look at that. Butterflies and the ribbon. The eyes are adorable. I love it. Everybody has done such amazing things. And this is why I love Crafty Friends. You get so much inspiration. Here is Leah RAICES. I hope I'm saying that right. If I didn't, I am so sorry. But she sent me a picture of her fold-out card. And guys, wait for this. Look at the paper. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. Wait till you see the inside. It gets even better, y'all. We are just showcasing crafters around the world and their creations. Everybody is so unique. Look how gorgeous this is. Everybody's so unique. You know, different ideas, which is so great. Very beautiful birthday card, Leah. Next, we have Julie Parker, who made this adorable knitted dress diaper with little booties. Wait till y'all see this. It's too cute. Look at that. How perfect is that for Christmas or Valentine's Day? So cute. I know how to knit a little bit. I can do scarves and hats. And that's about it. That's cute, hon. Catherine PORCORO. I hope I'm saying that correctly. If I'm not, don't unsubscribe to me. I am so sorry. But she has made an adorable mermaid in the bottle. I love the beach. I love mermaids. This is just awesome. Look at all the texture and elements. I know it's hard to see the mermaid in the picture, but I can see it's gorgeous. You know what I mean? It's so gorgeous. Brian Dickey, he has a YouTube channel called B&D Crafts and More. I will link that in the description box if you would like to check out his channel. He's very talented. Look at this. He has made a mini slimline notepad holder, and this paper is gorgeous. I've really been getting into sunflowers lately. You know, there's so much you can do with scrapbooking paper. You know? And he sent me a bunch of pictures so you could see the inside, the sides, and everything. See how he's got the Velcro so he can close it? Such a great job, Brian. Here's another picture of it. I'm in love with that. Brian, you're going to have to let us know in comments where this paper came from. Everybody's paper, actually. I want everybody's paper link. It's so pretty. Here's the inside. Polka dots are my absolute favorite. And this is Brian's Tide Pod container that he turned into this super cool Halloween piece. I love this. Great idea. Love the glow. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you to my friends for joining. Y'all have a great day. Bye.